Welcome back to the channel. We are in the pre-market and we are looking at the stock price of Robinhood Markets. It has the ticker symbol HOOD. As you guys might very well be aware, Robinhood is the company that makes the online trading platform through the Robinhood app, which has been credited with democratizing stock trading and bringing it to the masses. So the company has undergone quite a bit of criticism, especially over the past 2 to 3 years. One of the criticisms is that it doesn't allow extended hour trading. So like in the pre-market, you can't trade, and after hours, you can't trade either. The next thing was people criticized the company for not having crypto wallets. So they acted like a middleman. If you wanted to buy cryptocurrency, then you would interface with the app, and then they would execute the transaction, but you did not have a crypto wallet in your name. So you could see your finances, you could do transactions, but the keys to the wallet were actually held by Robinhood. So they are going to address that. They put out a statement, so people will be able to get their personal keys, and they've been rolling that out since I believe a couple of weeks to months now, probably weeks, not months. And a few people, including myself, I have my wallet now in the app. So that was a good thing. That was a good move. They listened to the clients on the platform. But some people are saying it's just a little too late. They took just too long to react to that, and a lot of people migrated to other platforms that allow trading after hours. So when the main market closed at, I think, 3:30 p.m., people could continue trading all the way to like 8 p.m. at night, depending on where you are based in the United States. So with the company fixing all those shortcomings, you can now start seeing that the stock has undergone quite a reversal. We are looking at the 5-day chart, and you see that on Tuesday, when the news came out, the stock shot up quite a bit. Since Tuesday, it gave back some of the gains, but today again it's once more on an upward trajectory in the pre-market, and hopefully it holds that positive trend. Right now it's at about 0.82% and in the green, and we really hope that it continues on that trend. Yesterday the stock lost about 8.49%, which is a lot. Anyways, short term, mid term, and long term, the performance outlook is bullish per the analysts, and long term it is neutral. So we will see what the market says today, and I guess people will be voting with their hard-earned cash. 52-week range, the stock has been anywhere from $9.93 all the way up to $85. So at $14.65, this is actually a bargain. Yesterday also, after the stock dropped so much, you can see that the volume went up to 36 million shares that exchanged hands, compared to a normal average volume of about 24 million. So I think quite a few people picked up some shares yesterday in this stock. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.